Okay, let's get back to it again. Okay, so I already um, did the sharing on these two folders. So I'm gonna on the first domain DFS server, I'm gonna go to right click start menu, go to Windows Administrative Tools, and scroll down to DFS Management, and then under namespace, I'm gonna click that. I'm gonna click new namespace, and then I'm gonna browse to the first DFS server, so DFS01. I'll click next, and then I'm gonna name it DFS, and then edit settings. So there's about 5 settings that you can set for accessing the DFS folder. So I'm gonna do administrator has full access. Others have read and write permissions. So click OK. Click next. You want to keep it domain-based namespace. So click next. Create. And then close. So now I have this namespace. So I'm going to right click new folder, and I'm going to name it installs. Now you want to add the two server names that has the install folder. So you're going to add, browse, click on the installs. This is for DFS01. Click OK. Click OK. Click add again. Browse. Now I want to browse, and I want to put in DFS02. So click next, click install, click OK, click OK. So both of them are in there now with two of the servers. So click OK. And this is going to pop up, and you want to click yes. Give it a moment. This is going to start creating a target folders. So you can click on details as well. This process may take a moment or two, so okay. So as soon as that's done, this replication group and folder name will pop up. You want to click next on this, and then there's your your DFS server. So click next, and then who do you want to be primary? So I'm gonna for the installed folder. So I'm gonna choose DFS01. Click next, and then you want to do full mesh. Make sure you click on full mesh. Click next, and then I'm gonna keep it default. So next, and then create, and then it successfully created it. So click close, and then it's gonna tell you replication may take some time to come down. So click OK. So now I have this all created. So you can expand, and you'll see that the installs folder. So and then so how we could test it out if it's working or not, if you want to go to start and then start typing cpxmedia.com-dfs and installs. So now we can put in like let's say Adobe. Oh, this is where you'll put all your application stuff into here. So Adobe, let's do it like Java, Notepad, plus plus. Let's do like Microsoft RAR. Oh, I think let's redo that again. Adobe. It was trying to update. So Microsoft Java Notepad plus plus, and then let's do WinRAR. Let's do desktop background. So this is where I'm going to store like my desktop background and all that stuff. So that's your so we have that now. So let's go ahead and create another folder. So let's go back to the C drive. Let's create one called home share. So right click this, click share, everyone. Okay, done. Close. New property. So home share, properties, sharing, share, everyone, and share. Done. Close. Let's go back here. New folder. Home share. And click this. Add DFS02. Home share. Click next. Okay. Yes. And then for the second server, we can also check to see if it's if DFS is replicating now. So we can check by going to the file and then going to installs, and there you go. They're already synchronized down. So let's do this. Let's do a text document test, and then let's add it and say this is a test to see if so close. Okay, so back to this one, click next. For this one, I'm gonna put it to primary member is DFS02 now. So create, so next, okay, and share. So both of these are working as it should be. So I'm gonna go back here, then go to the file share server, DFS installs. Okay, test, edit. This is a test to see if replication is working. So, as you can see, it's working now. So it's replication is working. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. And if you look on over here, it should delete it as well too. So see, it's not here no more. So now we can go ahead and close out of these, and then sign out of your DFS servers. So okay, so gonna sign into the SCCM server. On this server, I don't have SCCM installed, so let's go ahead and sign into it, and then install all the prerequisites to before we can start installing SCCM. So let's go ahead and sign in, and then start installing the roles and features that you need to have in order for SCCM to be installed. So click add in roles and features, click next, and then next, and then you want to do BTS, add features, remote differential compression, next. I usually check all these. It's not necessary to check all these, but sooner or later I'm going to start using some of these features, so I'm going to check all these. Next, install, and this may take some time. So let's go out to web browser and start downloading some of the requirements that we need. So let's go ahead and close this. We need ADK version. I think the latest one is. I don't know if this is the latest one or not. Oh, there we go. So let's download this one. And I need to download this one. Okay, so I'll wait till this is done, then we can start installing them. Okay, so this is done, so let's go ahead and install this. Note to that, accept. I'm going to install all these next. And this may take some time, so go ahead and pause the video and come back when it's done.